This is Swissotel immersion in court in Singapore. So none of this is complimentary or free. Whatever that, whatever your choice of word is. This is 15 Singaporean dollar. Let me take out the lights. 15 Singaporean dollar. These bottles here, these little shots here, they don't put any price on it, and I'm not gonna drink it because one, I'm not into drinking much, but the price is ridiculous, so I'm not gonna touch that. Now we got this bottle of water for 16 Singaporean dollar. It's very, very small. I bought a bigger bottle, this high, up to this high. It's only $2.65, something like that. So then we got juice, 15 Singaporean dollar, apple juice. So they mark up the price about 5 times of what they bought it for, which understandable. They're in business to make money, This is $16. Heineken. So Heineken is $15 also. You got Tiger Beer, 14. Oh, that looked like a 15. A Coke. How much a can of Coke costs? 15 also. Come on, we bought this in the state $1.50. Over here is about $2. 2 Singaporean dollar. At the hotel is $15. That's 15 also for a Red Bull. One last thing. $15. So the hotel mark these up about 5 times the price, and the Coke is, what was it again? Coke was 15. So the Coke is about 10 times the price of what they pay for. If you buy it in a case, it's even more, probably almost 14 times the price. But this is what they're in their business for. So I figure I'd just do a little video to show you what it is, the price. I've been to other hotels. They mark up the price about 2 to 3 times the price. It's about some other hotels or smaller scale hotel. So they mark up about to $6, but to $15. Singaporean dollar, by the way. $1 US is 1.3 Singaporean dollar. So, oh well, enjoy.